Hey guys, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, today we are going to discuss 11 things to be constructed under the staircase. The space under the stairs is often neglected or used for storage, but with a little creativity and it can be transformed into something functional and useful. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So point number 1 is the storage cabinets or shelves. One of the most common things to be constructed under the staircase is storage cabinets or shelves. This is a great way to utilize the space and keep things organized. You can install a custom built cabinets or shelves to store items such as books, shoes, clothes, or other household items. These can be designed to fit the space available and can be made with different materials such as wood, metal, or plastic. Now, the second great use of the staircase, or you can say the space under the staircase, is the wine cellar or bar. Another great idea for utilizing the space under the staircase is to create the wine cellar or bar. If you are a wine lover, this can be a great way to store and display the wine collection while also adding a stylish touch to your home. You can install the custom racks or shelves to store your wine bottles and add a bar counter for serving drinks. Now, the third use can be the pit area. Okay, so if you have pets, you can create a small pet area under the stairs. This can be a great way to keep your pet supplies organized and provide them with a comfortable space to rest. You can install a pet bed, a food and water balls, and some storage shelves or cabinets to keep the supplies organized. Point number 4 can be inverter. Okay, so if you live in an area with frequent power cuts, you can install an inverter under the staircase. If you This will help you to keep your appliance running during the power cuts. Okay, the fifth use is very common in India, and that is the bathroom. So if you have a limited space in your home, you can create a small bathroom under the staircase. With this can be a great way to utilize the space and add an extra bathroom to your home. You can install a toilet, sink, and shower to create a functional bathroom. Now, point number 6 is the electric panel room. If you have an electric panel in your home, you can create an electric panel room under the staircase. This will help you to keep the electric panel safe and protected from the damage. Seventh use can be the bike parking. Okay, if you have a bike or a motorcycle, you can create the bike parking area under the staircase, and this will protect your bike. This can be done especially when you have a staircase outside your house instead of inside your house. However, even the inside space can also be used, but that is not very much common. So if you have a staircase outside your house, this can be very much useful for the bike parking area. Okay, now you can use the staircase area for constructing the septic tank beneath it. Yeah, that is the point number 8. Okay, so if you live in an area without a proper sewage system, you can create a septic tank under the staircase. This will help you to manage your waste in a safe and hygienic way. Okay, so the ninth usage of the staircase area can be the underground water tank. Okay, so if you live in an area with a limited water supplies, if you will talk about the India, then in Rajasthan area, because one of my relative is over there, so I know that in Rajasthan area, what we have, they have limited water supply, so they need to construct the underground water tank. And if you are also from such an area, you can create a underground water tank under the staircase. This will help you to store water and ensure that you have a steady supply of water even during the water shortage. Okay, now the 10th way of using the staircase area, or you can say the area under the staircase effectively, is using it as a washing area. You can create a small washing area under the staircase. This can be a great way to utilize the space and add an extra washing area to your home. You can install a sink, washing machine, and some storage shelves or cabinets to keep your laundry supplies organized. Okay, the 11th way. Okay, I don't have the fingers for the 11th. So 10 plus 1, 11th. Okay, so the 11th way is to use the area under the staircase is using it as a playroom or reading nook. Okay, so if you have kids, you can create a playroom or reading nook under the staircase. This can be a great way to provide your children with a fun and safe place to play or read. You can install a small table chair and some storage shelves or cabinets to keep their toys and books organized. So overall, the conclusion of this video is that 11 there are these 11 things that can be constructed under the staircase. If you have something else in mind, then you can suggest that in the comment section. But for now, I can say that with a little creativity and some careful planning, you can transform this often underutilized area into a functional and a stylish area. So guys, I'm looking forward for your suggestions also, like what can be 12th or 13th way of using the staircase. And guys, if you find this video useful, then hit the like button, share this video with as much people as you want. And also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe because it takes a lot of effort to create such videos and to gather so much information. But you are getting it for free. So do one more thing that is also free. Subscribe to this channel and we will meet in the next video. Till then, this is Jom signing off. Thank you guys.